Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Tomorrow is Shiba Inu download day, Shiba Eternity massive news. News Shivala Shiba new affiliate program for Shiba Inu owners has been introduced by a cryptocurrency-friendly trip booking website. SHIB holders can enroll in the affiliate program and receive a commission on each person they refer to the 3 million plus travel items available in more than 230 countries and territories worldwide, according to the official releases. We will discuss the upcoming Shiba Inu download day, SHIB Eternity huge news, and SHIB news in this video. Don't forget to give the channel a thumbs up and subscribe to get the most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis. Let's start the video now without further ado. According to recent research, the affiliate program market is expected to reach a global value of $14.3 billion in 2023 and $15.7 billion in 2024. The Travesa travel firm claims that shareholders will benefit from a slice of this $1 billion market by collecting a 5.5% commission on each booking. The travel service states that participants will also receive a cut of any registrations made through their exclusive link. Each new user who registers for a Travela.com account using your affiliate link and makes a reservation will earn you an additional 0.5% commission. Users who make a booking and already have an account on Travela.com are not eligible for the additional 0.5% commission. The partnership between Shiba Inu and Tavala, a blockchain-based travel startup funded by Binance that started accepting SHIB as payment in December 2021, is strengthened by the exclusive special offer for SHIB holders. The cryptocurrency has grown in popularity since it was added to the agency's list of more than 90 accepted tokens. The fact that the agency is emphasizing SHIB and its owners, indicating that they trust in SHIB's long-term success, is additional promising for Shiba Inu aficionados. The acceptance of Trovato is not the only significant milestone for Shiba Inu in the last week. According to a CNF report, Georgians can now use Binance Pay to make Shiba and cryptocurrency payments at the Radisson Hotel. Along with the Radisson Hotel, Shiba Inu and other supported assets will be accepted as payment across 60 merchant locations thanks to the partnership between Binance Pay and CitiPay. The most recent network advances, including the much-anticipated release of the Shiba Inu Layer 2 scalability platform, are combined with the latest alliances. Sherbarium, the COYO platform revealed this week that it would launch on Sherbarium to bring in billions of dollars in trade volumes at the Shabbat or Yom launch, combined with significant SHIB burns, providing the platform a huge increase in functionality. Shiba Inus have frequently made headlines, usually as a result of significant changes to their ecology. This accomplishment is amazing, especially given that it was once just a meme currency. Shiba Inu was the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at the time of publication. The introduction of its metaverse and Jabariya may have allayed earlier reservations about the coin's usefulness. The well-known AI program TalkGPT can be used to illuminate the key components of a flawless metaverse talk. GPT has also taken the risk of projecting SHIB's future price trends, and its viewpoint is intriguing. Shiba Inu declared the launch of the gateway for its metaverse, SHIB.io, on March 15. After months of preparation and selling metaverse territory, the launch finally happened. The SHIB community welcomed a new platform that may be useful for the SHIB token after the introduction of the new website. The recently released Sherbarium testnet could be extended to support the SHIB metaverse. In light of the metaverse's rising popularity and Shiba's release of its version shoots, GPT created its perspective and findings regarding it. GPT explains the key features of the ideal metaverse, but it also quickly acknowledges that a number of factors could influence it. Regardless of its intent or design, ChatGPT provided a list of 7 qualities that a good metaverse should have. A metaverse should have features like accessibility, interoperability, immersiveness, originality, and innovation, to name just a few. Based on the list of chats generated by AI, one may be inclined to agree that they are actually fundamental. The Shiba metaverse has a pleasant atmosphere and receives good marks for creativity and innovation, according to GPT, which promptly acknowledged its shortcomings and learned enough about it to react to this question. Its accessibility and interoperability are still a mystery. Because the metaverse is essentially a digital environment that replicates the real world, AI can enhance user experiences by making them more realistic and interesting. One potential use of AI in the metaverse is the creation of more attentive and intelligent virtual assistants. Users may find it easier and more efficient to navigate the metaverse with the help of these aids. It can also help them communicate with others and find out information. AI can also be used to create virtual characters that are more convincing and complex, enhancing the meta-level between immersion and realism. By combining natural language processing and machine learning, these characters may interact with customers more innately and spontaneously, which could result in a more smooth and interesting experience. Additional potential applications of AI in the metaverse include automating a wide range of tasks and processes, including content moderation and customer support. As a result, the work of human editors and writers may be reduced, and the general quality and consistency of the information in the metaverse may be enhanced. Given this, you might be curious as to whether AI is capable of predicting the future of any token or coin. Even in its emancipated position, the ChatUp team was unable to provide a conclusive explanation when this question was raised. This is not unexpected given that initiating the process of anticipating any price volatility requires extensive previous data. However, and its response not naming a certain number SHIB's ability to store in the coming days was noted. This claim was made in light of the recent rise in cryptocurrency market capitalization. However, a quick look into SHIB's historical market capitalization movement shows a flurry of activity. According to CoinMarketCap, the market value of cryptocurrencies increased to over $13 billion in 2021 before leveling off at about $3 billion. But in October 2021, its market cap soared once more, exceeding $40 billion before progressively declining. Over $6 billion, or over $3 billion, is SHIB's market valuation. SHIB has proven to be more promising than its initial valuation, only to disappoint this year after beginning 2023 on a strong footing among the other cryptocurrencies and other financial assets. Shiba Inu has lost the majority of its gains since the meme crypto reached its top in early February. The Shiba Inu reached a low point in 2022 when it lost more than 3/4 of its value. Due to the macroeconomic and geopolitical uncertainty of this year, investors shunned riskier bets and shifted their portfolios towards safer investments, resulting in the meme coin named after the Japanese dog breed ending the year at $0.00000807, down 75.8% from the previous year. The Federal Reserve gave signals that it would delay rate increases, which encouraged a risk-to mood. By February 4th, Shiba Inu had quickly climbed to a high of $0.00015662. But it has subsequently found it difficult to regain this level. Based on Saturday's closing price of $0.00001087, Shiba Inu could sell for almost 92 million of the cryptocurrency for a $1,000 investment. And that same amount would be worth 1140 points if the meme coin returned to its late 2021 high, $16, and taken a 714% return. Anywhere that Visa is accepted, a Visa credit card can be used. It works both offline and online, and it is widely acknowledged. Shiba Inu tokens are now used more frequently for regular transactions as a result of Coinbase cards. Purchasing and paying bills are two of these actions, according to the payments survey from the previous year. 54% of cryptocurrency users who shop online use a debit or prepaid card. In the upcoming years, it is predicted that this number will soar. Additionally, Coinbase disclosed a collaboration with Apple and Google. The idea was to make it possible for customers to use their Coinbase cards with the two tech titans' payment systems. The US-based exchange has thus launched a number of measures to promote the adoption of cryptocurrencies. The absence of actual use cases for Bitcoin projects like GPU is one of the biggest worries. Investors can use their holdings in their daily life thanks to the possibility to employ the currency in commonplace situations. The demand to use the assets in real life will rise along with the number of cryptocurrency users. SHIB will have the chance to spread its paws even more due to its extremely popular position. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.